Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the water pump on Toyota Yaris. The water pump on this car is driven by the serpentine belt and it's located on the side of the engine. First we need to remove the serpentine belt, and that's the tensioner that we need to turn anti-clockwise in order to loosen the belt. You can see I've already put the pin in into the tensioner, and now when I turn the tensioner clockwise I'll put the pin in and it will hold the tensioner in place so that I can remove the belt. Here you can see the belt is getting loose and you can remove the belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the belt is removed, next I need to remove the tensioner because it's now in the way of getting one or two bolts for the water pump. There's a tensioner right there, and from top this bolt we need to remove. The tensioner is held by two bolts, and that's the top bolt, and the other bolt we have to get it from the bottom. First we remove the top bolt. I'm using size 12 socket for this bolt. Next we'll go underneath the car. That's the water pump right there, and the tensioner is just on the left, so we need to remove the bolt, the lower bolt for the tensioner. To remove it, the bolt is right there. And as the tensioner out, now we have access to all the bolts for the water pump. Here's a closer view of the water pump and all the bolts. That's 2, 4, I think on the top, and about 4 on the underneath the water pump. The 4 bolts that are on top, we're gonna get them from the front, from the top, and the other one we're going to get them from the bottom. So now we're going to start removing the bolts. That's 4 bolts out from the top. Now we're going to go to the bottom to remove the rest of the bolts. I'm going to show you again the bolts on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that we need to remove. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can pull out the water pump. If it doesn't want to come out, you might want to use a pry bar to pry it out a little bit, but it will come out easy. That's the water pump out. Now we can replace the water pump with a new one and assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.